2 plus 2 equals 5. Yes, you heard that right. 2 plus 2 equals 5. Do you believe it? No? I bet most of you are thinking, wait, what? Everyone knows that 2 plus 2 equals 4. It's a basic rule of mathematics. But hold on, my friends. I'm going to show you that 2 plus 2 can actually equal 5. Get ready. We're diving into some fascinating ideas, and I'm going to share a demonstration that will shake the very foundations of what you thought you knew about math. Before we jump into the demonstration, let's take a moment to explore why this idea of 2 plus 2 equaling 5 exists and why it captivates so many people. You see, this equation isn't just a joke or a random calculation error. It has deep roots in philosophical, literary, economic, and even mathematical contexts. Yes, you heard me, even mathematics. Let's start with literature. You might have heard of George Orwell's dystopian novel 1984. If you haven't read it, it's a masterpiece that portrays a world where a totalitarian regime called the Party controls every aspect of life, including the truth itself. In this book, the Party insists that 2 plus 2 equals 5. Why? Not because they're terrible at math, but because they want to demonstrate their absolute power. If they can convince people to accept something as absurd as 2 plus 2 equaling 5, they can control their perception of reality. It's an incredibly powerful metaphor for propaganda and mind control. Imagine a world where objective facts, like a simple addition, can be twisted to serve an authority. It gives you chills, doesn't it? This idea shows how mathematics, which seems so solid and unchangeable, can be used to explore profound questions about truth and manipulation. You might be thinking, math is definitely the field where 2 plus 2 equals 4, no discussion possible. Well, not so fast. In some highly abstract mathematical systems, like finite fields or unconventional algebras, the rules of addition can be redefined. For example, in a finite field of characteristic 2, arithmetic operations don't work the way they do in our usual mathematics, and you can get results that seem bizarre. I won't bore you with overly technical details, but know that in these systems, the rules can be bent, opening the door to unexpected outcomes. But what if I told you it's really true? That 2 plus 2 actually equals 5? I'm not kidding. I'm going to show you a mathematical demonstration that proves it. Get ready. We're about to dive into a math experiment that will make you question everything you know. Grab a pen. Oh no, this one's out of ink. No worries, I'll switch to a red one. It'll add some flair to our demonstration. We start with the universal truth, a rock-solid foundation, 0 equals 0. Guessed? Agree? It's pure mathematical common sense. Nobody can argue with that. Now, I'm going to expand this 0 to make things a bit more interesting. On one side, 0 can be written as 20 minus 20. On the other side, 0 can be written as 25 minus 25. So, we get the following equation. 20 minus 20 equals 25 minus 25. So far, nothing weird. Everything's perfectly correct, right? Both sides equal 0, so the equation holds up. Let's dig a little deeper. Let's break down these numbers. The 20 on the left, I can write as 4 times 5, and the other 20, the one after the minus, I can also write as 4 times 5. So, the left side becomes 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5. On the other side, 25 can be written as 5 times 5, and the other 25 as 5 times 5. So we get 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5 equals 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5. Still with me? No tricks here. Everything's crystal clear. We've just rewritten the numbers in a different form, but the equation remains true. Now, pay close attention. This is where it gets exciting. On the left side, in 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5, I have a 4 in common. So, I can factor out this 4 to get 4 times 5 minus 5. On the right side, in 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5, I have a 5 in common. So, I factor out this 5 to get 5 times 5 minus 5. This gives us a new equation. 4 times 5 minus 5 equals 5 times 5 minus 5. Starting to see where I'm going with this? Both sides have something special in common. 5 minus 5. And what is 5 minus 5? It's 0. So, we have 4 times 0 equals 5 times 0, which is always true. But here's the magic moment. Since 5 minus 5 is present on both sides and equals 0, we can simplify the equation by eliminating 5 minus 5 from both sides. Woof. And, poof, we're left with 4 equals 5. Yes, you heard that right. 4 equals 5. And since everyone knows that 2 plus 2 equals 4, well, if 4 equals 5, then 2 plus 2 equals 5. Ta-da! I've just proven that 2 plus 2 equals 5. Amazing, isn't it? Take a second to let that sink into your brain. It feels like mathematical witchcraft. But hold on, I'm not going to leave you hanging without a challenge. My math geniuses, I know this demonstration seems to defy everything you learned in school. It feels like it's twisting the laws of classical mathematics, doesn't it? So, here's the ultimate challenge for you. If you think 2 plus 2 can't equal 5, I dare you to find where this demonstration might not strictly follow the rules of mathematics. Did I play a little too loosely with the laws of arithmetic? I bet 95% of you will struggle to pinpoint the issue, but if you manage to do it, you deserve a mathematical genius medal. Take your time, look carefully at the equation, analyze it closely, and share your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see who will take on the challenge. It's fascinating how mathematics can be both incredible and full of surprises. If you're new here, know that every week I take you on adventures like this one, where we explore ideas that seem completely crazy, but make us see mathematics in a whole new way. Math isn't just about boring numbers and equations. It's a way to play with ideas, challenge what we think we know, and uncover unexpected surprises. So, if you enjoy this kind of thought-provoking puzzle, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I post new videos every week about surprising truths that might change how you think about mathematics. And of course, feel free to let me know in the comments if you managed to solve the riddle in this demonstration, or if you simply enjoyed this wild mathematical adventure. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. See you soon.